Hello guys, it's time for another unboxing video. Oh, this time we found a few interesting things to try out and maybe make some videos on. So let's see what we got. And once again, our favorite packing peanuts. Alright, first up, we've got an Adventure Medical Ultralight Watertight Medical Kit. A Silva Mini Compass. Rip Spool Field Repair Kit. Pathfinder Stainless Steel Bottle Stove. And the Pathfinder Stainless Steel Bush Pot Stove. I said, and one more. Almost forgot. These are some dog tag sized signal mirrors. Well, that's it for now. And like I said, it's mostly stuff so we can try them out and maybe make some videos on them.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.